Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Kasorkar Meghalaya Lingbao Menteri Rangba ukanut ke sangma kalapan ramjur ya jingle ki pulat Assam ki balasiat yap ikipaj ba ashnong Mukro West Jaintia Hills District badna kalyang Menteri Rangba upentip ba kasorkar kan sasyemi ki sinjam ki bating hakaba ansarai lang haka lang joken huan menteri hakaba ansalet ya kundu ru yo menteri korbari kasorkar pedeng wa Amit Shah habakran cikilat pathai khubor ha secretariat mentakasngi ka arpu artarek unai wing arhajar arpu halor ka jingja syasiat yap ki beri hasnong Mukro u menteri Rangba ulabatai shphang ka balaja hakaba ulaya thu baka kinhuan menteri kan sasyemi ka rai habaya dei bat ki ba komno ki sinjam ki ba kasorkar ka deban shim Ulai thuru baki pulet ke Meghalaya kila dep penrung ha ke jing ujor ya kani ke jingle ki pulet Assam baru lapha e ke khubor sngolam na kalyang ka sorkar shegi bahing jong ki balaklat bat ki ba mensaw ha ke jo por na kalyang ka sorkar kalapan benaru ya ke jing erap ka balong san lak tingka shegi bahing jong ki balaklat ha ke jingja na kalyang ka sorkar ka kenturu ya baru ban penne ya ka sukasan ha kani ke jalla bat kala ya kenduru ikinong elam snong hasor bat khapsor halor kani
Today, on the 22nd of November, an unfortunate incident occurred at Mukro village in West Jaintia Hills district, where 6 persons have died due to firing by Assam police and Assam forest guards. I would like to express my deepest condolences to the bereaved families who have lost their loved ones. As per the reports, a truck carrying timber was pursued by the Assam forest guards with the Assam police and was detained by the Assam police and Assam forest guards at Mukro village in West Jaintia Hills district. On hearing this, people from Mukro village gathered in large numbers and surrounded the Assam police and Assam forest guards. This led to firing by the Assam police, in which 5 persons from Meghalaya died. 1 Assam forest guard also died due to the firing. The injured persons have been shifted to Boroto PHC and Yalong Civil Hospital. On hearing of the incident, the district magistrate, the superintendent of police, and other magistrates rushed to the spot. Inquest has been conducted by the magistrate. The Honorable Home Minister, Government of Meghalaya, has also reached the spot of the incident. An FIR has been registered by the Meghalaya Police. The names of the deceased who died on the spot are: number 1, Thal Shadap, male, 45 years. Number 2, Nikashi Dhar, male, 65 years. Number 3, Sikh Talang, male, 55 years. And number 4, one unknown male forest guard of the government of Assam. The names of those who succumbed to their injuries in the hospital are: number 1, Tal Nartyang, male, 40 years, who died at Boroto. Number 2, Chirup Sumer, male, 40, who died at Juwai. The state government strongly condemns the incident wherein the Assam police and Assam forest guards entered Meghalaya and resorted to unprovoked firing. Government of Meghalaya will take all steps possible to ensure that justice is done and action is taken against all those responsible for this inhuman act. An ex gratia compensation of rupees 5 lakhs each to the next of kin of the deceased shall be released. The Cabinet will be meeting today in the evening at 5:30 to take and decide on the next course of action which the government of Meghalaya will take in respect to this particular incident that took place. We're going to have a cabinet meeting in the evening, and different points are going to be discussed in the cabinet meeting. We have already laid down 4-5 points, but without taking a final call with the cabinet, it will not be appropriate for me to spell out all those points. But I can tell you one thing, that we will be going and meeting the Honourable Minister and placing our demands and placing the necessary points that we have from our side to the Government of India for necessary.
Habakali Shapang Jingdon Kipulet Meghalaya Hatan Mukro, Uloang Bakipulet Kuduna, Baruloang Bakasorkar, Hagajing Shisha, Kaladep Ru Ban Mang Pulet Nakabenta Kaborato, Outpost, Kabday Ru Ban Pleno Shen Mentau Naiwing. Habakali Lakashnong Mukro Kaday Kabadon Hagajing Yakajaput, Mentirang Ba Uloang Bakamukro, Kamday Kabadon Jing Yakajaput. Shu Abakali Halor Kajing Kran Penbet Put Bakasorkar Assam, Hakawat Kabaar, Menteri Rang Ba Uloang Bakajiya Kran Penbet Yokput Usam, Kalong Kabadon Kam, Bat Ulaku Buru, Bakum Kini Kijingja Kin Pinduko Yakakam. Kumtau Loang Bana Kabenta Kani, Kabadon Kam Kalong Ban Shimi Kilat Kilenti, Hakaba, Lakmi Lenti Ru, Bana Kaliang Kasorkar Pedeng Bat Kasorkar Assam, Kumjo, Ban Pen Iye Kinuginu Kilan, Kiba Ai Gajiksanya. Ukwarat ulaya thuru ba ulaya kran ba Menteri Rang Ba ka Assam Uhimanta Beswa Sarma halor kani ke jingja hakba ma ula kular ban shemi kilat kilenti ki badon kam ban le.
This is out there, but the numbers were not as big as the Assam counterpart because the situation was unexpected. We never expected the situation to be there. The recent sanctioning of the Boroto outpost, which has been done, was supposed to be inaugurated on 25th of this month, and right before that this incident has happened, and knowing the sensitivity of the location, we had sanctioned the Boroto outpost precisely because we knew that this kind of situations and tension is always there in that area, and hence the numbers were lesser, and as I said, this is completely unprovoked, and as I mentioned earlier that the Assam police were pursuing some trucks carrying timber, and that pursuit led to them coming into Meghalaya, against which the public had reacted and surrounded, and in large number they had come out, and that's what led to this fighting taking place.
Can you tell us, Mukro, where does this?
Yes, I have spoken to the Assam Chief Minister this morning, and I briefed him about the incident. He is also aware about the incident. And our discussion was very brief, and he has assured that whatever can be done from the Assam government side and whatever cooperation is required for any kind of steps to be taken or any kind of inquiry to be done, that he will be there and he will support. Regarding the inquiry, I don't want to discuss that immediately because it will be put up in the cabinet, and this evening we will share with you after the cabinet meeting approves the discussions that we have put on the paper and put on the agenda for the cabinet meeting. Once we approve it, I will be sharing that with you post the cabinet meeting.
Hakawi bat kaliang ukon rat bulapan bana, bakum kada ke jing buram, bat yam beriu namar ke e kabala jai ki beriu ke jela, ke sorkar jela kalarai ban pensangi no shwai ki tamasa ki bade ban penlong, nado ke literary festival, ke cherry blossom, hakabau loong ba hakum ke ni kapor, ke bakam kongsan ke de ke jing im, bat ke mensim beriu.
As a mark of respect and mourning for the deceased, the state government has decided to cancel all official festivals, including the Cherry Blossom Festival. At this point in time, I would like to appeal to all the citizens of the state to pray for the departed souls and especially for the families who have lost their loved ones. I would also like to appeal the citizens of the state to maintain peace and harmony in the state. The state government is taking all steps necessary to ensure that law and order is maintained in the state. We also would like to pray for all those families, especially, who have lost their loved ones and those whose family members have been injured in this incident. Just before this press conference, we have called different leaders from our traditional heads, Rangbashnongs, our religious leaders from different religious groups, and different members of civil society and different NGOs to discuss, to appeal, to inform them, and to ask them that we need to stand together in these difficult times as a state and as citizens. These are challenging times, but with society and with all of us being together, we will overcome this situation. And as I mentioned, the government of Meghalaya will be firm and will take necessary action, whatever that is required, to ensure that justice is done and those people who are responsible for this action are taken against them.